ATN, Nairobi.
Now, today marks exactly 12 years since the Westgate Mall terror attack occurred, one of the darkest chapters in Kenya's history. On September 21st, 2013, gunmen stormed the Nairobi Mall, killing 67 people and leaving more than 150 injured. The tragedy not only shook the nation, but also reshaped Kenya's fight against terrorism. Our reporter, Wanjiko Wanjiro, brings us the story 12 years on.
Saturday, September 21st, 2013, what started as a normal Saturday at one of the city's busiest malls, people shopping, families dining, friends catching up in an atmosphere filled with laughter and joy, quickly turned into chaos. The sound of gunfire pierced the air, followed by screams as terrorists stormed Nairobi's Westgate Mall. It was around noon. Heavily armed Al-Shabaab militants stormed the mall, hurled grenades as they started shooting indiscriminately. The siege lasted 4 days, and by the time it was over, 67 people were dead and more than 150 injured. This marked one of the darkest days in Kenya's history.
Watu wengi kila mtu walistuka. Wenye waliingia chini ya gari, wengine walikuwa wanakimbia. The first victim kufika Aga Khan Hospital, MP Shah, sisi ndio tulimpeleka, lakini alikuwa na risasi kwa kifua.
For those who were inside the mall, nearby, or who lost or injured a loved one, this day remains forever etched in their hearts, with time offering gradual healing.
Hapa ndio tulikuwa tunafanya kazi. Unaona? Maanisha kuanzia hiyo day ilikuwa ni sasa unakuja, kuna mali unaweza fanya kazi, inabidi unazunguka tu unarudi home. Kukufa naye mimi najua watu walikufa wengi. Hiyo ndio kitu tu hata mimi ilini affect juu kitu inaweza kuja na watu wengi at once.
After the attack, Kenya moved swiftly to strengthen its security systems, not just in malls, but across public spaces, while stepping up cooperation with international partners in the fight against terror. Today, armed guards, roadblocks, and multiple layers of screening are a common sight, from international organizations to hotels, shopping malls, office towers, churches, and private businesses. Many buildings in Nairobi have introduced vehicle barriers, ID checks, metal detectors, frisking, and bomb-sniffing dogs, measures that have since become part of daily life. 12 years on, the memory of Westgate still lingers, a reminder of lives lost, families shattered, and a nation forever changed. Yet, it also stands as a testament of Kenya's resilience, the healing hand of time, and the unyielding resolve to never bow to terror. Wanjiko Wanjiro, KTN, Nairobi.
Well, that story by Wanjiko Wanjiro leads us to a short commercial break. When we come back, we bring you the latest developments in the world of sports. Stay with us.